Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your Etsy shop for more sales, complete guide step by step clearly. First, start by researching your target audience. Understand their preferences, needs, and pain points. Identify the keywords they are likely to use when searching for products like yours. Next, optimize your shop title. Incorporate relevant keywords to enhance search visibility. Ensure the title reflects your brand identity and the type of products you offer. Then, focus on your shop announcement. Craft a clear and engaging message that highlights your unique selling points. Use this space to inform customers about current promotions or shipping policies. Now, move on to your product listings. Write compelling titles that include important keywords. Ensure each title accurately describes the item while remaining enticing. Next, create detailed product descriptions. Include the benefits of the product, usage instructions, and any relevant details. Make sure to naturally incorporate keywords throughout the description. Now, pay attention to your product images. Use high-quality images that showcase your products from multiple angles. Consider lifestyle images that demonstrate the product in use. Next, set competitive pricing for your products. Research similar items in your niche to determine a fair price point. Consider offering discounts for bulk purchases or promotions during holidays. Now, optimize your shop policies. Clearly state your shipping, return, and exchange policies to build customer trust. Ensure customers understand your processing times. Next, encourage customer reviews. After each purchase, follow up with customers and ask for feedback. Positive reviews can significantly influence potential buyers. Then, engage with your audience on social media. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.